We will describe brief information about this and its benefits and ingredient with its use. Let's talk about what is Ottoman coffee. Ottoman coffee is a complete source of healing with it contains. It would be more accurate to call blend coffee. Not it is a type of coffee. It is not a type of coffee. It is a blend coffee that is basically made by ground Yemen coffee beans. Turkish coffee was made from Yemen beans in the Ottoman Empire. First of all, it should noted that Turkish coffee is method of cooking coffee. The method of making dark roasted coffee bean by mixing them in water after grinding them into powder fine. Traditionally, Turkish coffee contains nothing but sugar. Ottoman coffee is a blend coffee along with Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee made from Yemeni beans. It contains various and useful ingredients like cardamom, chocolates, cream, and whatever you like. The benefit of Ottoman coffee is Ottoman coffee is perfect for those who are losing weight and want to gain weight. It is useful for fatigue and weakness. It lowers cholesterol and reduces the risk of breast cancer. Wow, it is amazing benefit. It has feature of opening against shortness of breath and breathing problem, regular intestinal problems.